Today we are going to do a first Java program. All the programming languages have the same concept, but there is a little bit difference in their syntax. So we have already learned the C++. In the C++, we have to write here what? Hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h, void main, cout, prabhat tara, then here get ch. When we have run this program, then we will get the output prabhat tara. The same program will be converted into the Java. So let's see how we can convert the C++ program into the Java program. So here it is written here hash include. In the place of a hash include, we are writing here import java.io star import java.lang. Now there is a little bit difference here. Here it is written class prabhat. So here it is written here class prabhat. In the place of a class prabhat, you can write any name, but the name should be meaningful. Now public static void string args. So in any Java program we have tried these lines. So here I have written here underscore. Here it is underscore. Where there is a underscore, there will be a capital letter. This P will be capital, this S will be capital, and rest of them are in a small letter. Now in the place of a cout, we are writing here system.out.println. Here it is written here prabhat tara. Same thing we are writing here prabhat tara. So S will be here capital. Now close this bracket, close this bracket. Now save this file by the same class name. So here class name will be prabhat. So here will be the name will be prabhat.java. Now compile this Java program by java prabhat.java, and thus this program will be run by java.java prabhat. So whatever the class name will be here, the same thing will be here. So this thing we have to discuss in the lab class. How can we save, how can we compile, and how can we run the program. So after let's see the output of this program. So we will get the output prabhat tara. So in the place of a void main, little bit more increment here. Here it is written public static void main. There will be no changes in this line. So here S will be capital. This will be more important. S will be capital. All the class name will be, the first letter should be in capital. Now let's take the another example. So here in any Java program, this line import java.io, import java.lang will be there. After this line we have to write here class name, class about me. So here A will be capital, M will be capital. Why this is capital? Because I have already said the first letter will be in capital. If you want, you can write in small also, there is no issue. Same curly bracket, same line copy paste. This line will be here, same line will be copy paste here. Now here we are going to display three messages in three different lines. So here system.out.println Sanvi Mehta, system.out.println 3a, system.out.println Namkum Ranchi. So here see it is in double quote. So any value within the double quote, it will display the same thing as it is written. So as it is in same as here, see it in double quote, it will display same thing. The same thing will be displayed here. So here it will be here this way types of symbol, but here it will be this way. Now close this. So this is the program. How can we make a Java program? Now we have to see its output. What will be the output of this program? So here, if you have to run this program, the output will be here: Sanvi Mehta 3A Namkum Ranchi. So as it is written here, the same result will be here. Here Sanvi Mehta, same 3A Namkun. Here see here, there is a comma is there. So here the output in comma, it will be comma here. Ranchi here, it will be in Ranchi here. So these three outputs are coming 3 different lines. It is in 3 different lines. Now if you want to display all these 3 in single line, so in the place of a print ln, you just write only system.out.print. If we have write here system.out.print, then here Sanvi Mehta, again here system.out.print 3A, system.out.print Namkum, Ranchi. Then we have to see the result. The result will be coming one line like that here. Sanvi Mehta 3A Namkum Ranchi. So the value will become in single line. So why this is coming single line? Because instead of writing here ln, I have written only print. So system.out.print, it's display the value in the same line. In the place of a print, if you are using system.out.print ln, it will display the value in the different line. Now after doing this thing, try to do these 2 questions. Write a program to display 5 fruits name in same and different line. Similarly, write a program to display name, class, role and address. That's for all for today. Thank you.